Welcome back, everyone. I'm stepping out of the Hoang channel garage for a minute, putting on my master mechanic hat to bring you this breakdown. We're diving into something that affects literally everyone who gets behind the wheel, the silent engine killer. Let's cut right through the noise and get straight to the lifeblood of your vehicle. Let me ask you something and really think about it. What is your absolute most expensive vehicle mistake? Right away, your mind probably jumps to those huge, monumental disasters, right? Like missing a monthly payment or accidentally buying a complete lemon off the lot. But the actual answer? It's way more insidious and frankly, way more common. People always think the ultimate nightmare is buying the wrong engine right from the start. But the real devastating error? It's ignoring something that costs less than a single tank of gas. Yep, I'm talking about an oil change. You start the car, drive to work, and everything sounds completely normal. So that oil change gets pushed back a little, then weeks turn into months, and by the time you actually realize the damage, well, it's already too late. Section 1. The Anatomy of Engine Oil. Listen, oil has absolutely one of the most crucial jobs in your entire vehicle. Literally every single time you turn that key, clean oil is stepping up to do 4 heavy lifting tasks. It lubricates the moving parts, it vastly reduces friction between rapidly moving metal, it controls that immense combustion heat, and it actively carries away harmful contaminants. It's not just sitting there, it's a highly active working fluid. But here's the million-dollar question. What actually happens when that fluid breaks down? Well, your metal components start working a lot harder. Temperatures spike, internal wear accelerates like crazy, and the truly scary part? All of this happens completely silently. There's no dramatic flashing neon sign on your dashboard screaming that your engine is literally tearing itself apart right now. Clean oil keeps the engine alive, and dirty oil simply doesn't. It's really that black and white. Moving to Section 2, the Hoang philosophy. Over in the shop, we have a saying, true vehicle ownership begins after the purchase. You see, a car doesn't magically stay reliable just because you paid a premium for it on the dealer lot. It stays reliable because it's maintained. Your vehicle's lifespan has absolutely zero to do with its initial price tag, and literally everything to do with what you do the moment you drive it home. Let's be real. We all love the exciting part, right? Spending hours online researching horsepower, the latest tech, the sleek styling. But the unglamorous reality is the routine upkeep. It's those supposedly boring tasks, like swapping out filters and checking your fluid levels. I mean, nobody's bragging about a successful Tuesday afternoon oil change on social media. But hey, that boring maintenance is exactly the secret sauce that gets you to the ultimate reward, hitting that 200,000-mile mark. Those simple, unglamorous habits are exactly what separate a properly maintained vehicle that goes the distance from a prematurely broken piece of metal that absolutely drains your bank account. Section 3. Avoiding costly maintenance mistakes. If you've got the proper tools, changing your oil at home really just boils down to a simple 4-step procedure. You drain the old oil, replace the filter, add the fresh stuff, and verify you've got the correct level. That is it. Anyone who's even slightly willing to learn can master this process right in their own driveway. That being said, simple mistakes here will cost you dearly. Using the wrong oil type? That's going to tank your performance. Overfilling it? Now you've got serious pressure problems. Forgetting to swap the filter means you're contaminating that beautiful fresh oil insanely. And then improperly tightened drain plug? Oh man, that leads to catastrophic leaks. So understanding these little details matters just as much as actually doing the work. Alright, finally, Section 4. Discipline over technology. Look, modern vehicles are smarter than they've ever been. They're packed with these fancy oil life monitoring systems. But while smart technology is great for reminding you, owner responsibility still has to take the wheel. A computer can flash a little wrench light on your dash all day long, but it cannot physically climb under the car and drain the oil for you. The burden there falls entirely on your shoulders. And that brings us to the ultimate lesson here. Engines rarely just drop dead from one giant, catastrophic event. Real engine failure is almost always the direct result of small, postponed responsibilities and ignored maintenance. It's the neglected oil change. It's that constant nagging assumption that everything will just be fine for another 1,000 miles. Protecting your engine isn't about luck. It is entirely about discipline. So I'll leave you with this one question to chew on. Will you go change your oil, or are you going to wait for the regret? The biggest financial hits in a driver's life always come from the tiny responsibilities we repeatedly brush off. Do yourself a massive favor and make the smart financial decision. Handle the maintenance now before your engine gives you a very expensive reason to regret waiting. Thanks for hanging out for this breakdown, folks. I'll see you in the garage next time.